Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. A volatile trading day ended with all of the major indices except the Russell lower. The Dow slid more than 1%, while the S&P 500 shed 0.75%. The Nasdaq lost 0.25%, and the Russell managed to eke out 0.25% gain. All of the sectors in the S&P 500 closed lower. Industrials, the biggest laggard, down 1.5%. Consumer staples, healthcare, and real estate all fell more than 1%. Turning to some stocks on the move, Apple touched September lows after a report that the iPhone giant is planning a major overhaul of its operating system. Bloomberg is reporting the company will make significant changes to its interfaces for iPhone, iPad, and Macs. It comes after Apple delayed AI enhancements for Siri and an expected drop in iPhone sales year over year. Delta and Southwest Airlines moved in opposite directions, with Delta sinking 7% after cutting its Q1 guidance. It's now forecasting revenue growth between 3% and 4%. That's down from a previous range of 7% to 9% growth. Delta cited a reduction in consumer and corporate confidence due to increased macro uncertainty. Barclays, Morgan Stanley, and UBS all lowered their price targets for the airline. Southwest Airlines, meanwhile, said it will start charging for checked bags at the end of May. It also plans to accelerate its $2.5 billion buyback program. Shares in turn surged 8% today. Shares of Kohl's fell 24% to almost 30-year lows after issuing downbeat guidance for fiscal 2025. The retailer is guiding for 5% to 7% revenue declines, following 2024's 7.2% drop. Kohl's also slashed its quarterly dividend to 13 cents from 50 cents per share. The company's CEO says leaders identified key areas of focus and that they remain confident on a turnaround story, but warned it's a pretty challenging environment for consumers. Tomorrow morning's CPI print will be the highlight of the economic calendar. After hours, software takes center stage with reports from Adobe, UiPath, and SentinelOne all due out. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.